Hey guys, Codex here. So today we are going to be diving into Harmony One, a coin that till now we have never talked about in this channel, and since it has went up this week, I thought it would be a good idea to cover it and to update you about it. So we are going to be looking at the current momentum and Harmony's trend and where the price may be heading next. But before we do get into this one, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel since it helps us a lot. Leave the video a thumbs up and a comment, and let's get into this one. So one has been a banger throughout this year, and despite the pullbacks that it has experienced along its way, it managed to offer those that invested in it at the beginning of the year an ROI of more than 6,000%, which is 60x as of today. Now, clearly, this road hasn't been easy. We have had a 56% pullback in February, another massive 80% move to the downside when Bitcoin dropped around 55% right here, another 50% move to the downside in September, so basically a couple of months ago, before having this last shakeout and dropping from 40 cents all the way down to roughly 13 cents. Now, Harmony's token managed to gain some control in the last couple of days, unlike the vast majority of the other cryptocurrencies. So now the question is this move to the downside the last shakeout before the rally? Is 13 cents really our local bottom, or is Harmony on the verge of another pullback? Now, if we take a look at our three momentum indicators, we can see a beginning of a downward pressure on the daily time frame, especially on the KDJ and on the stochastic RSI. On the KDJ, the black line is right here heading to the downside, indicating a downward movement and a sell pressure. We still don't have a cross right here between the orange and blue line, so we don't have a confirmation yet, but if we do get it within the next couple of hours, then that may indicate a further downward pressure, pushing the price of Harmony further down. Same thing is happening with the stochastic RSI. We have a cross here indicating a bearish trend on the daily, and the last time something similar happened, it was almost a month ago, and afterwards, the price ended up falling around 60%, which is massive if you think of it. Now, I honestly don't think that we will drop that low. I don't think we'll drop 60%, but we certainly have a high chance of going down to this white line that we have held as support 4 times in the past. So we've held it right here and bounced it back. Same thing in June and July this year, the price went down and managed to bounce back up from it. And lately, a week ago right here, which confirmed that this white line is a massive trend line and an important support for Harmony. So if the bearish trend continues on the daily, there is a high chance of us revisiting our macro scale support coming at around 17 cents. So basically around 20 to 21% down from our current price. Also, we obviously can't talk about Harmony's token without mentioning big boy BTC. Now, Bitcoin is also still struggling at around 46k, moving below its bull market support band, which is currently between 51 and 53k. And by the way, the bull market support band is simply the 21 weeks EMA and the 20 weeks SMA if you don't know what it is. And it basically helps us see the current trend. As said, we are currently still trending below it, which is concerning for the alt because historically speaking, when Bitcoin is having these pullbacks and when Bitcoin is bleeding, altcoins tend to go much lower and tend to suffer. So we will see where this takes us. To conclude, one is currently still experiencing some downward pressure that started yesterday night right here, and it will probably last for 1 to 3 days. On the macro scale, I'm bullish on Harmony. I think it's an amazing project, and I believe that one day we will find it in the top 10. But for now, things are still a bit shaky, especially with Bitcoin trending below its bull market support band. So this was about it, guys. It was just a small update. Please consider subscribing if you found the video helpful. Leave a comment, check out our Telegram channel, and peace.